I'm back with a new photography session with the RICOH GRIII. The city center of Hiroshima is quite difficult to photograph these past days. The G7 is soon starting and police and security are just everywhere. It's a good thing, I guess, to make the event as safe as possible, but I have already been asked once what kind of photos I was taking and I had to show them my screen. They were absolutely lovely and actually gave me positive comments on my photos, but I don't really want to deal with that much more. So I decided to go in a more quiet area of Hiroshima, which, regardless of the G7, is a place I love to photograph. I went out a bit later than usual, which explains why the sun is already quite high in the sky. Also, it's soon summer, and at this time of the year in Japan, the day starts so early that even when I wake up at 5 AM, it's already quite bright out there. This high in the sky and pretty harsh sunlight was still quite nice, and it let me take pretty nice picture, I think. Even with such a light, when I take time to compose my shots, I try to analyze the scene and understand what angle is the best to make good use of the light. A very simple tip to apply is shooting from the shadow side. Even if the light is not golden and coming from a low angle on the side, it will still create some contrast and depth by mixing shadows and bright parts on the different faces of a building or whatever you're shooting at. It really helps to create that depth and this sort of 3D effect in the final images. So this is not a photography related accessory, but it is one of my recent purchases that really helped me a lot with my photography. Lately I've been changing a few things with the goal of improving my focus. It has a positive effect when I work, obviously, but it also helps me a lot when I'm out shooting. With less distractions, you can really lose yourself to a photography session, and just like that day of shooting, I did not get any phenomenal shots, but I really enjoyed my time taking the sun and taking photos in this quiet neighborhood. I have been wearing my Apple Watch as much as the battery recharging cycle allows since I bought it maybe 4 years ago, sleeping with it to use it as an alarm clock, measuring all my running workouts and keeping it on my wrist to check the time and to be notified about anything without having to check my phone. First I believed it would be a solution, but actually every time it vibrates to tell you something that is not urgent in 99.9% of the cases, your focus will collapse for a short while and you'll have to build it up again. The solution was quite simple actually. I use it only to track my running workouts, but once I'm back home, I remove it. And not to feel like something is missing on my wrist, I bought a very cheap yet absolutely fine little Casio watch. I got it on sale for about $9 and it does the job as good as any other more expensive watch. I know that not everyone is using a smartwatch, but if you are a user yourself, try not wearing it for a few days to see if you can feel the difference. I can try the GR3X, as I really want to shoot with it, and I receive many comments and messages asking what I think about it and whether I will make videos using it. I don't really want to spend $1,000 to get one, so maybe thanks to all the love and support you always give on my GR3 videos, it might ring a bell at RICOH and they will lend me one. At least if I have the opportunity to try one, you can be sure that I will make videos about it. Thanks for watching as always, and every like, every comment is really appreciated and truly helps this channel to grow. I wish you a good day and see you soon. Bye.